Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can get glitch preset, and it is easy to use. It will save your lot of time. First of all, download the project file from the link in the description and open it. Here you can see that there is composition named glitch, and the composition setting are in 1920 by 1080. The 2-layer is already there. You don't have to disturb these layer. You have to work below these 2 layers. Now create new text or logo. Drag it below the 2 layers. Now you can see that glitch is working fine. To make it more interesting, duplicate the text or logo. Now press the toggle switches mode and set to screen. Do this for all text or logo. Now select the all layers of text and logo, and go to the effects. Then generate, and the fill. For the first text layer, let it be the red color. For the second layer, change the color to blue. And for third layer, change the color to the green. Disable the glitch control layer. Press key to open position control. Set the keyframe at the beginning of the control layer. R and go to the mid. Now change the position of the first layer as per your requirement. And then at the end, copy the first keyframe. Now enable the glitch control layer. Now you can see that the glitch is working fine. Now duplicate the glitch control layer, so you can use n number of times. And copy the position keyframe also. Now I'm creating another text layer. Drag it to the bottom. You can see that both the text is affected by the glitch effect. Here you can select the area which you wanted to be glitched. So select the glitch control layer. And resize it, and drag the layer to the area that you wanted to be glitched. Let me do this to the second glitch control also. Now it's done. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.